Hey everybody, Jason Lucas, Myers Cadillac, 1200 Baseline Road, here to talk to you about the Costco promotion. I'm going to talk about Cadillac specific, so I'm talking XT4, XT5, XT6, the stunning lineup we currently offer. If you're a Costco member, you pay what I pay, you pay what a General Motors employee pays. Cost, simple as that. You also get a $500 Costco shop card on top of it. We are able to stack these rebates with cash rebates, with finance cash, military, grad rebates, mobility rebates, you name it, GM Visa points, our lease loyalty if you're a previous lease customer. So there's some serious opportunity to save some money. The big part of this is our inventory level. We have over 100 of these SUVs in stock. So if you come in, we have absolutely everything to choose from. Premium luxury, every color combination, inside, outside, every wheel combination. No other store is going to boast as much inventory as we have at Myers Cadillac. What this means is you're going to get a better deal. If the car's here, you always get a better deal. We don't have to pay to go get it. Transport fees and all the other things associated with having to bring a vehicle in. So these are just two lineups of over 100 Cadillacs we have in stock, all qualify for the event. So again, simply put, remember, you're paying costs for a new Cadillac. Lease or finance doesn't matter. And Cadillacs have 4-year oil change maintenance package included. It's a phenomenal time to get into a new Cadillac, guys. Visit us, myers.ca. Come down to 1200 Baseline Road. Lockdown's over. The showroom's bumping. It's +10 outside today. It's a great time to get into a new Cadillac. Looking forward to seeing you.